A student shared, I played racket sports competitively for over 30 years and I'm paying for it now with osteoarthritis in my lumbar spine and left facet joints. I live in chronic back pain. In order to reverse the impact of overuse in my right shoulder and opposite lower back, should I do my somatic movements more on one side than the other? I feel lopsided and I want to correct this so that I can find balance in the center. Well, what this person describes is a habituation of the trauma reflex, the reflex of compensation due to an accident or injury or through repetitive one-sided activity like racket sports or holding a baby on one hip or playing tennis. Now, one side of the torso contracts and rotates more than the other. This is experienced as a twist in the center of the body that can be felt from the shoulders to the pelvis and right down through the legs. There's a sense of lopsidedness or a feeling that you're walking like a car with one flat tire. Because this reflex is deeply compensatory in nature, the answer to this person's question is not necessarily. Sometimes the pain is not where the problem is. And it could be that this person's pain is the result of tension on the compensatory side rather than on the dominant side that had been injured. Now, both sides need re-education and repatterning in order to find balance again, yet in a different way, one side to the other. In your practice, I encourage you to look for differences right to left. For instance, in the side bend, when you release the bottom side waist as you shorten and contract the top side waist, and then do the same on the other side, how are the sides different? What do you notice? Can you actually release the bottom side as you contract the top? And can you do it the same on the other side? Look for the same thing in the back lift and even in arch and flatten. You will be the judge as to whether you need to do more repetitions on one side, more on the other, based on what you discover, or the same on both sides, but differently. And don't forget that during the day, consciously notice your stress level. What are you doing or thinking about when you're feeling tense? Make the same observation when you feel relaxed. What if you took a break, gave yourself 2 minutes to reach to the top shelf, do a seated arch and curl or a standing flower, and mentally and physically relax yourself?